Your website menu is essential for good user experience. So if it looks like chaotic buffet of random pages, congratulations, you're confusing everyone, including yourself. From Dashboard, go to Appearance, Menus, click Create New Menu. Give it name. On left, choose pages you actually want in your header. And reminder, not every page belongs there, unless you're intentionally trying to annoy people. Add your top-level pages. To create dropdown, drag page slightly to right under another. Boom! That is child item. Congratulations, you're now parent. Try not to ruin their life. If you want parent tab not clickable, go to Custom Links, name it, type # as URL, add it, and drag your child page underneath it. Now parent item will be as emotionally unavailable as your Auntie Sharon. Adding anchor link, just drop / with section ID into custom links. Need menu item that links to another platform or external website? Use custom link again. Paste URL, name it, add it, and make sure to check open link in new tab so visitors don't vanish forever. Click Save Menu, otherwise you'll feel stupid forever. Now you'll need to assign this menu to header or footer, but that is tutorial for another day. Subscribe for more, or don't. But if your menu looks like grocery list, problem is you.